Taller statues are being constructed since ancient times and making a significant space in the tourism industry of their respective countries. Human has a history of constructing memorials and statues, as ways of recognizing and preserving political memories. In today's world, it is built on commission to commemorate a historical event or the life of an influential person. These huge structures are so tall, which makes them the key appeal of the respective cities. Hi and welcome to Daily Tops. Today we are going to see the top 7 tallest statues in the world. Number 7. Shianshu Guanyin of Wishan. Shianshu Guanyin is the 7th tallest statue on the planet as well as the 2nd tallest statue in China. It stands tall at 99 meters, that's 325 feet. Shianshu Guanyin means 11-headed and 1,000-armed Guanyin. It depicts Avalokiteshvara, the Buddhist Bodhisattva who embodies compassion. This statue is made of gilded bronze. It was constructed with the help of investments from local business and religious organizations. The government collected about 260 million yuan, which is approximately 50 million United States dollars, to complete the statue. The construction of this amazing statue was completed in the year 2009. Sendai Daikanon. Sendai Daikanon, officially known as the Sendai Daikanon, is 6th in our top 7 countdown list. It is located in Sendai, Japan. With a height of 100 meters, that is 330 feet, Sendai Daikanon is the tallest statue of a goddess in Japan. It is built to honor goddess Byakuya. The statue depicts a manifestation of the Bodhisattva Kannon, also known as Byakuya, bearing a gem in her hand. The construction of this gigantic statue was done in the year 1991. The cost for constructing this was 5.4 million United States dollars. At the time of its completion in 1991, it was the tallest statue in the world, but has since been surpassed by others. Number 5. Ushiku Daibutsu. Ushiku Daibutsu statue is the 5th tallest in the entire world. It is located in Ushiku, Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan. It stands a total of 120 meters, that's 390 feet tall, including the 10 meters base and 10 meters lotus platform. The statue alone stands at a 100 meters tall, same as Sendai Daikanon. It was built to commemorate the birth of Shinran, founder of the Jodo Shinshu, which means True Pure Land School of Buddhism. Ushiku Daibutsu succeeded Sendai Daikanon to become the tallest statue in the world in 1993. It held the record for nearly 9 years until it was surpassed by another in the list. Number 4. Statue of Belief. The Statue of Belief is the latest statue to be constructed in list. It stands at a height of 106 meters, that is 348 feet. The statue is in Ganesh Tekri in Rajasthan, India. This statue is the tallest statue dedicated to god Shiva. The construction began in 2012. The statue was fully completed by 2020. Number 3. Laykyun Sekkya. Laykyun Sekkya ranks 3rd in the list of the world's tallest statues, standing by a 9.8 meters margin. It is located in the village of Kotakantong, near Maniwa, Myanmar. The height of this statue without including base is 116 meters. Including the base, it stands at 129.2 meters, that is 424 feet tall. It is a grand structure of Gautama Buddha in golden color. The construction of this statue began in 1996. It took a long 12 years to complete. The statue was opened for public in the 2nd month of 2008. It was the tallest statue in the world only for a few months. It cost about 35 million United States dollars to construct. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha. Another Buddha gets the 2nd spot. The Spring Temple Buddha is a colossal statue standing at 128 meters, that is 420 feet, excluding a 25 meters lotus throne. The total height of the statue is 153 meters. The statue depicts Vairocana Buddha located in the Jiaochun township of Lushan County, in China. Statue of Buddha construction began in the year 1997 and took almost 11 years to complete in the year 2008. This huge statue has been built on a hill. The Spring Temple Buddha derives its name from the nearby Tianrui hot spring, which is renowned in the area for its curative properties. Inscribed within the statue's chest is a small reverse swastika. It is estimated that the project cost around 55 million US dollars to complete. In this 18 million US dollars were spent for the statue alone. It was originally estimated to consist of 1,100 pieces of copper cast, with a total weight of 1,000 tons. Number 1. Statue of Unity. It's not a Buddha this time guys, I swear. With a whopping 182 meters that is 597 feet tall, the number 1 spot goes to the Statue of Unity, located in the state of Gujarat, India, on the Narmada River. The total height of the statue including base is 240 meters, that's 790 feet. The statue portrays Indian politician, statesman and first Home Minister of independent India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Patel played a key role in uniting 562 princely states of India ruled by kings, and states that were part of the former British Empire, to form the single Union of India. The statue can be seen within a 7 kilometers, that's 4.3 miles radius. This statue cost India a fortune. Indian government spent about $422 million US. It was inaugurated on the 31st of October 2018, the 143rd birth anniversary of Patel. It has since been the tallest statue in the world. I think it's going to be very long before this record is broken. What do you think? Will Statue of Unity be on top for next 10 years? Express your thoughts on the comments below. That's all for today's video. See you in another. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this.